Hi everybody, Tony here from Octane Specialist Cars. Doing another video here. Now usually Matt does these videos, as we all well know, but he's sunning himself somewhere in the Aegean Sea or the Adriatic, so I just thought I'd try and pick up and go where he normally does. So what have we got for you here today? Volkswagen Transporter T28 5.1 140 short wheelbase manual. The one everybody seems to want now. Becoming very collectible. Everybody seems to be chasing these vehicles. Presented in metallic toffee brown with black cloth interior. This van presents absolutely astonishing value for money. We're getting some of the detail. As you can see, great service history, 8 stamps in the book. And we'll have had a Cambelt Water Pump before it leaves us, for peace of mind. Last serviced in March of this year. Some nice options. Sportline body kit, Sportline splitter, 20-inch Riviera alloys, lowered suspension, trapezoid sidebars, wheels just refurbished in excellent condition. It's a barn door van. Rear spoiler. Bought from an enthusiastic gentleman who was a paramedic. He has loved it. He has cared for it. And he's kept it, all the bits right on it. We've still a tiny little bit of preparation to do on this van, but nothing much. It just, as it comes, as it's shown up, it looks lovely. Let's get onto the inside. So a 6-seat van, bench seat, plus single captains. We've got an upgraded sound system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Air conditioning. 89,000 miles. Anybody that knows these 140s, we're seeing these vehicles now with 300,000 plus on them. If you're looking for reliability, this is where you go. These are as reliable as a wood burning stove. Carpeted, insulated, door matted, spotlights wired up to the main lights when you open the doors. Twin isofix in the rear. Non-slip floor. Really is lovely. This has been used for camping trips, as the family car. That presents just beautiful. Darkened glass to the rear, electric mirrors, electric windows, heated mirrors. Just 89,000 miles. All the stickers in the right place, as Matt likes to say. It's what we search for when we're looking for these vans. That's our main go-to, our main point that we're looking at. There we go. Tailgate open. Doors. Speakers in the rear. Really nice. It's ready for its next owner. It's ready for its next adventure. Single folding rear seat. We tend to find that the people looking for the camping options prefer these. You can have an additional 40-inch bed put in the back and they can fall flat and you can get your mattress straight over. It just does everything that you're looking for. It really does. So there we have it. It'll be online later today and on our website. Indoor viewing available. Not that we need it in today's sun because it's absolutely beautiful. Viewing by appointment. Give us a call. Feel free to come and have a look and we'll answer any questions you might have. Thanks for watching.